Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone black and white. It's called a grayscale option. So let's figure out how to turn iPhone screen black and white in 2021. It actually works on any iPhone. So if you appreciate me making this video, give me a like. This is all I am asking. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do actually is go over to your settings on your iPhone, and you want to go down to accessibility. Here it is. You want to click on accessibility, and you want to click the fourth option, display and text size. Click on it, and from here you want to go down to color filters here, and when you switch it on, look at that, grayscale. You can also have other ones, but I don't really like those. So yeah, turn it off and it's disabled. Turn it on, here it is. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.